the current state of the kitchen. This is the day before I start the video, so I'm just gonna put the groceries away and do the dishes. The trash is full, so we're gonna have to get on that. First thing, I wanna wash these dishes and put those dishes away. This is for dinner tonight, so I'm gonna leave this out. I thought I bought two. Oh my gosh, that's so dangerous. I don't think we should do that at all. I don't wanna see like your death. There's something! We're on a walk, but there's something in the water. I mean, there's something in the grass. It's looking at us.
Oh, I see it.
Oh, there's two! There's a baby! Oh, there's two babies!
I know.
Yeah, they ran away. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Justin. If you're not new, welcome back. Today we are starting our August reset. You guys already seen that I did start cleaning the kitchen a little bit, and then I also went on a walk. It is many hours after that walk. I'm pregnant and the walk really took me out. Okay, like I literally caught a Charlie horse in my calf. Those are not fun cramps. Like it actually feels like your leg is about to fall off. Did I say that already? If you guys are new here, make sure to subscribe. If you're not new, welcome back. Going to continue to clean the kitchen. I still need to wash more dishes, wipe down, like just wipe down everything, and then that's just gonna be what I do today because it's literally already 7:30. But tomorrow, when my body feels more rested, we'll pick up like actually cleaning up more things. I'll probably separate it for a couple of days anyways. Cleaning and pregnant, it just is a lot more than just like, it's not the same as cleaning and not pregnant. Alright y'all, we're in the fridge, but I'm gonna go to the fridge and throw out this stuff. We have one egg. And like these containers, like they have food in them that need to be thrown out. I'm gonna kind of take everything out the fridge because I think I also want to wipe it down. Alright, updated kitchen, wipe down and clean. Alright guys, it's a new day. Today's to-do list. Okay, today I want to do laundry. So wash it, fold it, put it away. Clean off all the counters, like the kitchen, the bathroom, the bedside tables, all the counters, the living room and everything, and wipe them all down. I want to sweep and mop the house. And then we're gonna do some planning for the next month, like when you take your husband grocery shopping. This is the cart. You can tell who picked out half the stuff and who picked out the other half. Guys, a little update because obviously grocery shopping was not on my list of things to do. But my husband's like, oh, why don't I just meet you at the store? We were in the store for an hour. So we just got home. I put all the groceries and stuff away. And then I just restocked the bathroom with toilet paper. What is he looking at me for?
Why did you do my voice like that?
So I'm gonna clean off the counters and then probably do my calendar and then probably sweep and mop later when my husband's at practice. But I still have to also put all the clothes away. No, it's not. I need this stuff off of the counter. Alright y'all, so I cleaned all the counter spaces and all that. Wiped down everything. Okay, so all we have to do left is sweep and mop. Like I said, I'm gonna do it when my husband goes to practice. Right now, we're gonna work on my calendar. So this says July. We are gonna change it to August. I can't believe it's already August, bro. Literally in a month, I'm gonna be a mother. Like a real mom, like not like I can return the kid. I think I'm gonna have to get a wipe to clean this off. Board is all clean. Calendar, like I just love having a calendar for him. Okay, so August starts on Saturday. Alright, unfortunately I can only go to number 29. So 30 and 31 is just gonna have to be not here. Like I'm not an artist, but I'll try to do like something cute. Like for July, you seen I had those little fireworks. I don't even know what color to base August on. I guess I'll do green. Okay, then I usually go on my phone. There's 3 things I put on my calendar. There's 2 things I put on my calendar. I don't know what the heck the 3rd thing is. Whatever's on my phone, so like birthdays, events, things like that. And then I do like my social media like posting days because I use Notion to plan my content. I've talked about that so much on my channel. I just like my calendar to look kind of full, to look like I kind of got a life. Okay. So every Sunday, we're posting on YouTube. I'm thinking about posting twice a week. So if you guys made it this far in the video, let me know how y'all would feel about that, and then what day of the week my second video should be posted. I need to post more to grow more, you know, like once a week it's a little like, okay. I'm filling out the calendar. Here's the finished calendar. It just says August and then all the stuff. It's 1:24 now. I feel like I did a lot today. I'll see y'all in 1 second. All right, guys, it's a new day. It is currently 5:50 in the morning, but it is a new day. We went on a walk, we cleaned, we planned, and I just need to finish cleaning. I did sweep and mop. Last thing I need to do, I just took out that little trash or whatever. I just need to put the clothes away, have them on the bed already, and then we just need to clean the actual bathtub. Clothes away. Yes, I am wearing the same top. This is just gonna be my cleaning top for this video. Why change? I don't know. I mentioned how I hate the AC in here. Like, why is it so loud? Why is it in here? Just take it out. Okay, before I start to close, I'm gonna prep the shower. I'm just gonna like, you know, put the stuff in the shower and let it marinate in the shower. I just did the toilet bowl cleaner, but it kind of broke and spilled everywhere, so I'm just picking these up so that I'm able to mop and sweep. Also, guys, I bought this from Target, right, for like $10, right? It sucks. Absolutely sucks. I hate it. I'm throwing it in the trash. I literally ripped it off the floor because it doesn't stay on the floor. It doesn't, like, it actually just makes me go crazy. So I just ripped it off the floor. Like, why are you even on the floor at this point? You don't stay on the floor. You're not helping me. Taking the showers and putting it in the sink. I made piles. This is my clothes. Right here's towels, and then over there is my husband's clothes. Obviously, this is me and the baby's clothes. So he obviously just has too many dang clothes. That's the problem, but we're gonna get to folding this, and then we'll put it away, and then I'll clean the shower. The shower. I did sweep the bathroom because I feel like it's smart to clean it before I turn on the water and clean the shower, because then if the water gets on the floor, then the broom is gonna like get wet, and you know, so we're not gonna do that. If you guys saw my little haul on YouTube Shorts, you've seen some of the baby clothes that I washed. They're from the thrift store. And if you guys are wondering, like, oh, you're not gonna do like a glow up. I know people usually do glow ups in their like monthly resets. I want to do a whole like labor prep vlog. And like at this point, guys, you can obviously tell. Like I'm almost at the point where she can come at any moment. I mean, honestly, they can come any moment. It doesn't matter. I just didn't want to do 2 videos that are very similar back to back. I'm gonna do a whole hygiene because I need to buy a whole bunch of, like, I need to restock a whole bunch of stuff. So I was gonna do a restock video, hygiene, and I also wanted to try some new things I've been looking at. I was gonna do a labor prep video, so just stay tuned for all of those. It's so easy to fold my clothes because I don't be wearing so much clothes since I work from home. My husband, on the other hand, then like he always want me to fold his clothes. I'm just kidding. I just fold his clothes because I like the clothes to be folded a specific way, and he don't be doing it how I like it. Maybe he does it on purpose. Bruh, guys, the freaking dresser broke. Like, after I have my baby, guys, I want to do a whole closet clean out and get rid of everything and then buy new clothes. I know, sounds like a great idea. Like, I take clothes off of hangers and then like I go back to put it on the hanger and like the hanger's not there. But like, guys, look, you see how like this is all my clothes. Like, look how much clothes my husband goes through. Like, this is supposed to be like stacks of, you know, like mine. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope it motivated you a little bit. If you guys made this fun a video, comment the toilet emoji. Yep. I might sweep him up again just because it's a new day. Shower's clean. Husband has to fix the dresser, but his clothes will be away soon. And remember to answer the question that if you guys want me to post twice a week, what's the second day of the week that you guys want me to post? I love you. God loves you. Peace out. See you guys in my next video.